Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and I make videos about fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Today's video is remotely related to travel. I know what you're thinking, that I haven't done any travel video on my channel so far and it's kind of embarrassing. But actually I have planned a small little trip in the upcoming week and I was planning a lot of things and organizing everything with respect to my holiday, so that my holiday is just a fun experience and I don't have to worry about a lot of things and it's just stress free. So I thought that I should come here and share all of these things with you guys as well, so that your travel experiences are also hassle free and you just end up enjoying your vacation without worrying about most of the things. So yeah, this video is all about that and I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. It's something different. So let's just get started. So first up is skincare. I'm pretty sure that by now you all know that I'm a little crazy when it comes to skincare and just taking care of my skin in general and keeping it all healthy and glowing and hydrated. So I keep trying on different things, and there is one thing that's constant throughout, which is aloe vera. Now in a hot climate like Rajasthan, the weather is like super hot, so a piece of aloe vera, freshly cut aloe vera, is really soothing and it just makes your skin really hydrated and of course help with different skin issues as well. So that's my go-to when it comes to skincare in such hot weather. Now since the weather here is super hot and humid, my skin is not really behaving well lately and my skin is breaking out a lot. Like as you can see, I've got some pimples on my cheeks and my chin and some small ones, like little ones on my forehead as well. So I really wanted to do something about it and I really wanted a solution that is hassle free and not too much effort. So firstly, I want to thank PSafe for sponsoring this portion of the video. I tried their acne relief patches from their brand Fur by PSafe. They are really great because they are really natural, they are Ayurvedic, they have ingredients like turmeric and neem, which is great for your acne issues in general, and yeah, they are pretty easy to use. Also it comes in a packaging like this. It's a Ziploc pack which is great for storing and traveling with your patches along, like stored inside it. So I think that's a great idea, and the patches actually look like these, if you can see. So they come in 3 different sizes. According to the size of your pimple, you can use one, and yeah, they're pretty easy to use. So I actually tested out these acne relief patches last night only, and I tested out on this pimple. It was really bad last night, but as you can already see that it's a little bit shrinked, and I'm sure that it will show great results if I use it, for 2-3 days regularly. It's really easy to use. You just have to wash your face using your regular face wash and pat it dry. Then after that, don't apply the moisturizer. Just apply these patches on the affected areas and just sleep like that. In about 10 to 12 hours, when you wake up next day in the morning, you'll see some difference for sure. So if you're interested to get your hands on this, check the link in my bio. I'll link them in the description below, and also you can use my code which is mentioned over here to avail a discount as well, which is always great. So yeah, now the next thing with respect to skincare has to be your eating habits and your water intake. As I've mentioned like 1,000 times before, it's really important and it shows on your skin like instantly. So please take care of your eating habits, because I know that when you're on holiday you don't really take care of your diet or your eating habits or even your water intake. So stay hydrated, kids. The second thing that I absolutely like doing is planning my itinerary in advance. Now this helps me save a lot of time, and this might sound a little boring, but I like to have a list of all the places that I want to visit, all the kinds of like food and cafes that I want to explore, and just markets that I want to see and shop from. So it makes me feel really organized and it saves a lot of time. I always have a backup option in case of any mishap, or in case some place is closed, then I can always go back to my list and choose a place. So that really helps. Then lastly, you can be in the moment and you can enjoy your trip without worrying about which place to go next to and what to do next, and basically similar stuff. So that really helps me Thirdly, I like to make all my travel and stay bookings in advance. Now this has multiple benefits. It's like, you get the best deals in the best hotels and at really affordable prices as well. So I like to make all my bookings in advance, which is really helpful, and there's no last minute panic as such, and you can always cancel if you find a better deal. And also you don't have to settle for any last minute options just because it's out of your budget or something like that. So always make flight bookings, train bookings or hotel bookings in advance, because that will save you a lot of money and energy, and just that. The fourth point is really important for a person like me who's a little obsessed with fashion and all things fashion. I like to plan my outfits in advance because it's really, it makes it organized. It saves a lot of time, it saves a lot of space, and as a content creator, I do need multiple changes, like, outfit wise. So yeah, it's always a nice way to do that, like plan all your outfits, accessories, shoes, everything in advance, because you don't want a lot of luggage with you. Travel light. And apart from that, I personally feel that you should dress according to the vibe of the place that you're going to, because else it doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I mean, planning always helps with respect to outfits as well. But if you're not obsessed with fashion, then you can just skip this point. Last but not the least, you should always refill all your cosmetics and skincare in advance, and in travel size packaging, because it really makes it very, very easier to travel with. And I believe that you should always have your own skincare and cosmetics with you, like makeup and in general, like shampoo and conditioner and all of those things, because you never know like what the situation is and what the hotel is going to provide, and you don't want to get stuck in a situation like this. So I like to have that backup with me. Also, a lot of sunscreen goes a long way, so carry all the sunscreen that you have, and you'll be good to go. Don't do conjusi when it comes to sunscreen, please, please, please. So that's it. Those were my 5 tips when it comes to traveling with all the planning and plotting and just in an organized manner, so that you don't have any stressful situations as such. Also, a pro tip for content creators out there: if you're a content creator and if you're traveling, always carry your laptop, your external hard drive, extra memory cards, extra batteries, and your camera with you. I'm going to be traveling with all my gear for the first time. I'm a little nervous as well as excited for the same, so let's see how it goes. Also, I will be publishing the travel vlog really, really soon on my channel, so stay tuned. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please, please, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment and tell me what are your tips when it comes to traveling in an organized way, or traveling light, or things like that. Basically traveling, I could really use some of your tips, so please comment and tell me, and I'll see you super soon in the next one. Bye bye.